Hi everyone, welcome to week 9 of the course. In week 9 we're going to be focused on chapter 13 and you're going to have your first paper that's due by the end of this week. We're going to go over the paper after we focus on chapter 13 and what we're going to be looking at with this chapter. Chapter 13 is going to be looking at different types of experiments. And what we're looking at in many fields such as psychology, medicine, causal effects are commonly estimated using experiments. Before being approved for widespread medical use, for example, a new drug must be subjected to experimental trials in which some patients are randomly selected to receive the drug while others are given a harmless, ineffective substitute known as a placebo. The drug is approved only if these randomized controlled experiments provide convincing statistical evidence that the drug is safe and effective. So what we're looking at this week in this chapter is the methods developed in this chapter are often used for evaluating social or economic programs. Program evaluation is the field of study that concerns estimating the effect of a program, policy, or some intervention or treatment. What is the effect of these experiments? How they influence decisions that we have to make. So you'll notice that you're going to have to use this chapter to make a couple decisions in our analysis. So for this week, you're going to be focused on your paper. Now remember, in your paper, the certain things that people miss that they really have to focus on in their paper is APA formatting. APA formatting is the required template that you're going to be using in this course. What I'm focused on APA formatting is your title page, reference page, and in-text citations. Now, also, when we do research, you're going to be doing a lot of things on Excel. What I recommend you doing is you copy the Excel file in terms of the sheet and you paste it into your Word document. I'm only grading one document, and it's only going to be a Word document. What happens is a lot of people will bring in outside Excel sheets and they'll attach multiple documents. I'm not grading anything but one document because presentation is key to your work. So what you're going to be looking at is you're going to be looking at the data set from your book, and you're going to be running a multiple regression, and you're going to finding the best fit model from the variables that are being used. The key to this is you don't have to use all of the variables that were given, and that's where it gets confusing on people. If I'm trying to predict home prices, I don't have to include all the data that was received. I could use different components of the data, and that would be helpful as well. So what you're looking at is picking the best model, showing me why it's the best model, explaining why the fit is the best, and then showing the variables that you used. Make sure to not create any bias with your analysis as well. If you need any help or analysis with your paper, just let me know. But I look forward to your paper, and make sure to submit it on time in the Dropbox for grading, as no work's accepted through email.